Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to add pictures as bullets in Microsoft Word document. So firstly select your text and enter the bullet. Now here click on this drop down, then click on define new bullet, then here just you have to click on picture. Now select your desired picture, then click on OK. So as we can see, we have now this picture as a bullets. Also you can change bullets color and styles. Like this. So this is the method guys. You can add pictures as bullets in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching.